Welcome to our channel. If you want to connect your Ring doorbell to Alexa for hands-free control and notifications, follow these step-by-step instructions to integrate your devices seamlessly. Step 1. Ensure your Ring doorbell is already set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network using the Ring app. Step 2. Open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone and log in to your Amazon account. Step 3. Tap the More icon in the bottom right corner and select Skills and Games. Step 4. In the search bar, type Ring and select the Ring skill from the results. Step 5. Tap Enable to Use to activate the Ring skill and link it to your Alexa account. Step 6. Log into your Ring account when prompted and grant Alexa permission to access your Ring devices. Step 7. Once the skill is enabled, tap Discover Devices in the Alexa app to find your Ring doorbell. Step 8. Your Ring doorbell will now appear in the Alexa app. You can use voice commands like Alexa, show me the front door to view your doorbell camera on Alexa-enabled devices with a screen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.